The ruling last week by Justice Fidelio Corbin Lincoln in the case brought by former head of the police SWAT unit Moti Duki against the Attorney General Basil Williams and former acting police commissioner David Ramnarine concluded that the actions of the former top cop had been unconstitutional, and the Attorney General and Mr. Ramnarine were ordered to pay Mr. Duki $100,000. Mr. Ramnarine had sent Mr. Duki on leave in the public interest after Mr. Duki was detained by the police in connection with the alleged illegal possession of 30 cases of whiskey. The whiskey incident happened at a time when the Police Service Commission was not active. On Monday, the Attorney General questioned what other course of action could have been taken in the absence of the Police and Public Service Commission.
So, a senior rank who comes under the jurisdiction of the Police Service Commission commits some egregious act. Is the state and the government to be without remedy in treating with this person because there's no Public Service or Police Service Commission? That is the question, and that is the question which these chambers answered when we went to the matter in the High Court.
Minister Williams explained that the state invoked the law of necessity, arguing that a decision had to be made in the absence of the Police Service Commission, which is constitutionally vested with the authority to discipline senior officers of the police force.
In the light of the fact that there is no Police Service Commission, in light of the fact that the act was so egregious for him to remain amongst the ranks of the Guyana Police Force, could affect morale and the general, but could have a general deleterious effect on law enforcement in Guyana. So, in those circumstances, we are saying that the state or the government could properly act under the doctrine of necessity.
The Attorney General says he is now awaiting a report from the Attorney General's chambers before the matter is appealed. He still affirms that the actions of the top cop was one of necessity. Javon Vickery, HGP Nightly News.